Oh shit, look at that. That new engine life. So they installed this engine about a couple days ago, and I drove probably 500 miles on it so far, and it's been really good. Getting good gas mileage. If anything, it's a better running engine than my old engine. It's not as ticky, it's a lot more smooth. You can feel the when the VTEC kicks in at around 3K. It's not like, oh shit, VTEC, it doesn't throw you back in the seat, but you do feel it more, as it should be. But yeah, they even put on my old valve cover, and they put in my intake as well. So this exhaust, and they put on my old headers. So they kept it mainly how it was, just a lot cleaner. It has around 72K on it. My old one had 79K, so I gained whatever. Doesn't really fucking matter, not a lot of fucking miles, but overall, they did what they said they were gonna do, and I got a new engine, which is awesome, or a new, to me, engine. So then I started driving it, and after driving for a bit, I noticed the CV axle is just making so much fucking noise. Like it's bad. And I was 200 miles away from any shop, so I had to just live with it. And I had to drive through fucking Massachusetts, which is the shittiest roads in all existence. It's like a third world country out there. And literally, I thought the CV axle was gonna snap halfway on the highway. But it didn't, thankfully. So I do need to get that fixed. I do think that problem has come from them swapping the engine and either not taking care of the CV axles or just damaging them. But whatever, I'll get that fixed. Oh shit, look at this fucking motor mount. Look at that fucking shit. What the shit? Holy shit. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna die. Anyways, oh man, this car's full of surprises. Just gonna require a lot of work to get it back, but I'll probably bring it to a better shop, the shop that diagnosed this car, to do that sometime this week, and then maybe I'll have them do Honda on it. It's still K20A3, so it's not gonna be making much power, but it's a good daily. It gets 32 mpg, etc. And I just, this car could last 5 years easily, and be a daily once I get another project. So that's the whole idea with this car right now, is just add some more power, fix these fucking bushings. Holy shit, those are bad. Yeah, there's a lot of rust. A lot of these parts are shit. I mean, it's like, yeah, there's some things that need some work. I mean, my tires are rusted as fuck. You probably can get some diseases from touching that. I don't want to go near it, but look at this valve cover, man. Holy shit, that shit's clean. And look at that fuel rail, fucking purple. But yeah, overall, I think, they did their job. They replaced it, thankfully, for free, to have to pay a dime. And it's been running great, so I can't really complain. But yeah, there's definitely some more work that needs to be done. Especially to the some of the suspension components might get coilovers at some point, just because spring life sucks. And like, I want to get that fitment, man. I want to get that lower rear fitment, man. But yeah, overall, engine's been good. I can't really push it, because if I do, I'm afraid a CV axle will snap at above 5K. I put on my quiet exhaust. I can film a video of how this the InGen intake sounds. You can really hear it with that quieter exhaust. It's a Tandy Mandolin Touring. And yeah, so just a small update. Been trying to figure out this whole fucking CV axle thing now. It's literally one problem after another. It's fucking crazy. That shop is a fucking bunch of fucking mental retards right there, man. I mean, it's crazy. I don't even know how dumb you can be to fuck up a car. Well, fuck up a car 3 times in a row. It's crazy. Thanks for watching. I'll update you guys in a bit. Peace. I got loyalty inside my DNA. Broken corner piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, no ambition, flow inside my DNA.